Okay.
Can you see me?
Yeah. So I'm officially packing for Mexico. And I fly out Sunday morning, which is...
Wait, she leaves tomorrow.
Whatever. Okay. So this is what I have so far. I have my cat. Some underwear and some socks.
Our cat.
And... Our cat, sorry. And this is the disaster that I have created. I had to do laundry. But why don't I just...
Can you blog me?
Talk about what I put in my toiletry bag so far. Oh, shiz.
Oh yeah, she recorded this, but with no volume.
Can you not? Okay, so this is what I have. All of my lip stuff, my mascara, eyebrow stuff in this pocket. And then down here, I have my booty blender and a bunch of like face stuff and some hair products.
Is it for the booty?
No. And some ibuprofen, but I have to take that out. But yeah, I'm not bringing any foundation on this trip. No siree, because I already know I'm going to be way too sweaty for that, and it's going to be way too hot for all that nonsense. And then I also went to Target and got a bunch of stuff that I needed. I had 2 of these bottles. I don't know where the other one went. I think my cats played with it. But I got the travel size of the body wash that I use. Look how cute this is. It says catnap. And I'm gonna try to plan out outfits, but I might just bring a bunch of pieces and then figure it out when I get there, or bring a bunch of like similar theme / color pieces together, because I don't have enough time to actually like lay out and plan the outfits, because David's birthday dinner is in approximately how long? 1 hour?
Yep.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna throw a bunch of shit in my suitcase and hope for the best. So I hope you enjoy this cheeky little time lapse. I got a completely different haircut. Let me fix this 1 second. Okay. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm packing in my carry-on, because I did a little time lapse of what I have in my suitcase, but I'm just gonna show you guys in detail what I have in my carry-on. Not the best angle, but it will have to do. So I have like my mini toiletry bag with some painkillers, gas medicine, floss, my tonic, bobby pins. Put that in there. I also got this little first aid kit thingy, just in case. You never know who's gonna get injured. And then, okay, I have my cash. I'm gonna put my headphones in this little technology pouch that I got, and some chargers and shiz. I'm also bringing eye patches on the plane, because you know it's always good to get a little refresher here and there, you know. I got some wet ones because look, I've been seeing one too many videos on the internet of people doing nasty shit on their plane seats, so now I'm gonna bring these to wipe down my seat, or my general area. Oh, I found this at Target. I'm gonna put this on, you know, when I'm ready to get a little cat nap in. You know what I'm saying? Because I wake up so easily to any sort of light in my face. And I got Uno. Always gotta have Uno on deck. And oh, I have this power bank that I got for Christmas from one of my colleagues. This thing charges, I think, 2 phones completely, if I remember that correctly. And that's pretty much all I have in my carry-on, right? Yeah. I don't know if this video is really all that exciting, but oh, let me show you what my suitcase ended up looking like. This is what it looks like right now. It is a hot freaking mess. My suitcase is under this situation. That laundry, I can guarantee you it's gonna be there as soon as I get back from Mexico. Just a couple last minute things that I need to stick in my suitcase before I completely wrapped this up. Gotta bring my favorite hairy sweater, always. I'm gonna bring my giant sack. I feel like that might be good for like days that we're gonna be out all day. Basically, this is the situation. It's really not that full. I know it looks like it, but I feel like I still have so much space to put a bunch of stuff. I'm also gonna bring an extra duffel bag just in case I do buy something. I can put anything I buy in that duffel bag. I'm just gonna put it in this suitcase. This is my airport outfit. So I'm gonna stick my jewelries. Gotta organize this a little bit before I close it up. Fendi. All right, I'm officially strapping this bad boy in. Oh, let me close this actually. Okay. Officially closing this bad boy. Oh wait, one more thing. Bringing my extra duffel bag because you can never be too prepared, you know? I doubt I'm gonna put anything in there, but better to be safe than sorry. I feel like this is definitely more than 50 pounds, but we'll see when we get there. Actually, is it? Nah, I don't think so. Okay, here we go. Oh shit, I left my sandals. God damn it. All right. Okay, I think that's it for my check-in bag. All right, that pretty much wraps up this really quick video. I'm not sure if this is going to be very helpful to anybody who is traveling. I'm a terrible packer if you hadn't already noticed that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!